Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see, I've saved up a few coins with the AFK grinder, 7,500 gold an hour. I very do recommend using that. And we're going to be buying 100 of these. We just keep doing about 100. Yes. Oh, here we go. Smash this like button on this video. Let's see what we get. 4,000. Holy crap. Jeez. Oh my god. There's so much. Next, I'm gonna save up for 200 maybe. It's just because I don't AFK that often because Pet Simulator. 53. 50. Oh my god. That's so much. This is crazy. All I care about is the cannons and the blocks. I mean, this other stuff, I don't really care about. Like happens or whatever. But, I wonder if I get a chest. I didn't get a single chest. Make sure you smash that like button. How many do I have? Over 10,000 still. Only yesterday I had 4,000. Then I did the 17k opening. This is so much. Doesn't look like much though. I mean, it's solid. And then I've almost got 10,000 of these. That's the insane, like how insanely good the AFK farm is. I definitely recommend using it. What else did I get heaps of? Oh, I have a lot of thrusters now. Oh, pistons. Let me show you something. Ages ago, I was trying to make good pistons, but I stopped at 100. Ever since I did these 2 openings, I've gotten a crazy amount. I used to think this was a good way of getting gold. I'm almost double what I used to have. So if we just do this, go all the way out. Am I even gonna have enough room? I'm not used to having this many. Yeah, I have enough. Let's see. Sorry, I only uploaded twice yesterday. Didn't upload that many videos. I'm gonna make a cool intro for my channel. Stay tuned for that. Oh my god. Will I have enough room? Jesus, lucky I started far back. This is definitely gonna cause a lot of lag. Also, smash the like button for this skin. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I used to just buy pistons. God, that's gonna lag this server out. Like I'm on a private server. Look at that. Select all. Anchor off. If we... Come on. We made it in. We dropped the speed. Piston speed. And we go 1. We should get taken back slower. That's awesome how many pistons we have. We literally just made it across the whole entire map into the first world. This is awesome. I wonder how high we can go. I will smash the like button, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. I upload every single day. My videos, I put a lot of effort in. As you can see, 40,000 gold takes a while. That's over 4,000 Robux worth of stuff. I'm also going to make a monster truck. I bought a bunch of these wheels. So yeah, smash that subscribe button. Comment what you want to see next. Peace.